That's right guys, you can use your USB stick as a RAM, and it's a Windows 10 feature, so you guys don't need to download any malware or third-party apps. Welcome back to channel Tech with Nikthesh guys, and it's your host Nikthesh. There are two things you guys need to have. One is a potato PC, it's a 2D model, so another one is a USB stick. I suggest you guys use a clean USB stick. It means if you guys have any data or information inside your USB stick, just transfer it on your PC or just format it to make life easier. Okay, step 1, plug your USB stick onto your PC, and I suggest you guys to use USB 3.0 for more bandwidth. If you guys have USB 2.0, it's actually fine. Now the next step is to go to File Manager, click on this PC, then left click on your USB stick. Then you guys can see a lot of stuff. Just click on Properties, then click on Ready Boost, then click Dedicate USB for Ready Boost. Then allocate how much system memory you want on your USB stick. Then click Allow, and that's it. You guys have extra system memory. If you guys see on Task Manager, it doesn't pop up there actually, and actually you guys can see your USB stick packed at 100% because it's actually moving data left and right, but it does work. Okay, I trust Windows mostly. Okay, what if you want to unplug your USB stick? You just can't unplug it in like that. So if you want to unplug it safely, what you guys need to do is go to Properties on your USB stick, then click on Don't Use This Device for Ready Boost, and that's it. Then you guys can safely unplug your USB stick. Okay, what is Ready Boost? It's technically adding a bit more system memory onto your PC. If you guys have a beefy system like me with Plex, and you can't use it because it shows an error message here because your PC a bit too powerful. If you guys have a potato PC, it may help with your performance slightly because CPU is more important than system memory. So that's been it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll check you on the next video guys. Bye bye guys, and stay safe.